You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this fictional character. If you want to learn more confusing names from Hamlet and Shakespeare more generally, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up. Fortinbras is how it's pronounced. Fortinbras. I think some people say Bras at the end. Fortinbras, which I believe is a bit more of the American English pronunciation, which is perhaps correct. But generally in the UK, so British English, Fortinbras. Fortinbras. Stress on the first syllable, Fortinbras. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.